Hello friends, welcome back. In this tutorial we will study about computer instructions. The basic computer has 3 instruction code formats. Each format has 16 bits. So first of all we will study about memory reference instructions. So as I told that each format has 16 bits, memory reference instructions are also of 16 bits. These rightmost 12 bits, they specify the address, memory address. And then these next 3 bits, they form operation code part of the instruction. So these 3 bits forms operation code part of the instruction, which is also represented as opcode. So these 3 bits specifies what operation is to be performed, and the value of these 3 bits cannot be 1, 1 and 1. And this leftmost bit I, this specify addressing mode. I is equal to 0 for direct address, and I is equal to 1 for indirect address. So what is the difference between direct address and indirect address? So this leftmost bit I specifies the addressing mode. I equal to 0 for direct address and I is equal to 1 for indirect address. So what is the difference between direct addressing mode and indirect addressing mode? So when I is equal to 0 or when there is a direct addressing mode, then in that case these 12 bits, they specifies the memory address where the required data is stored. But if I is equal to 1, it means whenever there is indirect addressing mode. In that case these 12 bits, they specifies the memory address where the address of required data is stored, right? So when I equal to 1, whenever there is indirect addressing mode, then these 12 bits, these 12 address bits of memory reference instructions specifies the address where the data is not stored, but where the address of required data is stored. Right? So if there is indirect addressing mode and these 12 bits specify the address of some location X, then the data which is stored at X, it is the address of the data which is required by the instruction. Suppose at X, at location X in memory, some data Y is stored. Then what is Y? Y is the address of location where the data required by the instruction is stored. So this is the difference between direct addressing mode and indirect addressing mode. Now, second is register reference instructions. Now these rightmost 12 bits in register reference instructions, they specify some operation or test of the accumulator register, and these next 3 bits should be 1, 1, 1 and the leftmost bit should be 0. Similarly, in case of input output instructions, these rightmost 12 bits, they specify some input output operation or some test which is to be performed, and then these next 3 bits should be 1, 1, 1 and the leftmost bit should be 1.